So last time I changed the LEDs, got this TV working, except for I've introduced this one single white line. So in this video we're going to see if we're able to fix this single white line or whether I've actually damaged the screen, in which case I need a new screen. So the easiest way to do this, we've got a left side and a right side, unplug one. That doesn't look good. So if that's not screen damage, when I put power onto that other side, I shouldn't be getting that line down there. The fact that either side's plugged in, I'm getting that line, suggests the screen itself is actually damaged. And again, that's very easily done. These are very fragile screens. Luckily enough, someone just happens to have the exact same telly, and you can see they're about £45. So with the LEDs, I'm sort of closer to 70 now, but their thing has exactly the same problem as the original telly had, where the LEDs are no good. All I need from this one is the screen now. So unfortunately, I've got to take my original telly all back to pieces again and just remove the screen. So this is a damaged screen. I'm not going to just kind of fold it in half or anything, just in case there is some weird thing going on and I put it on this other telly and it's just the LEDs, but it loses that line. I don't think that will be the case, but you never know. Now you can see how much these screens are flexing here, and again, I'm thinking if this doesn't work, both of these tellies are going outside again, or I'm just going to take them down the recycle centre, because there's no much point in keep doing it again and again if I'm not going to get the result I want. And again, I could buy another screen, but they are so flexible and they're so awkward. So again, at this point, I'm worried that this isn't going to work. Like, I'm going to put this back together again. But the good thing is, now I've got a second TV. If I put this on there, that has the line in the same place. I know the problem is coming from the actual back of the telly itself, in which case I can buy LEDs for the other one and fix it that way. Or, again, more than likely, I believe it's that screen. Obviously, the ideal solution would be I'll put this screen onto this new telly and both of them work. But you can see the left-hand telly now, the screen's coming up fine. That one, obviously, we got the black part again, but it does have that line. I've tried to zoom in a bit closer just to show it. You can see it really faintly on there. So that screen is definitely damaged. No point in changing the cable. It's using different cables. Everything's different. So unfortunately, that screen's had it. So I'm going to strip that TV down for parts for future use for this TV. And as you can see now, this TV works. All right, it's cost me just under £70, but it's a 4K 55-inch telly, which could have cost me £25. I know in future, if I do this repair again, just be more mindful of that screen, and especially them little ribbon cables at the bottom. Hope you enjoyed this, and with that, I will see you on the next one.